Good day. Thank you guys for tuning in and welcome to my channel. ABSA has reportedly been searching for Njilo, the estranged husband of media personality Faith Ngeti. In an effort to locate him, the bank obtained a right of execution to attach properties owned by Machite Nicholas Ramuvhundu and associate of Njilo, who is said to be running a truck business. According to the right of execution, Ramuvhundu allegedly disappeared with 15 trucks belonging to ABSA. It is believed that Njilo currently possessed 4 trucks that were given to him by Ramuvhundu for his business. However, the bank claims that these trucks have also disappeared and that Njilo himself cannot be found. The right of execution granted in July empowers ABSA to recover the trucks and attach any properties owned by the businessman in order to recover the funds. The trucks allegedly in Njilo's possession include an HPC, a van body trailer, and a tracker truck. Recently, after Njilo was arrested in Durban on unrelated fraud charges amounting to 1.5 million, a representative from the bank sought help from the police to locate Njilo. Njilo was granted 10,000 bail, and the case has been postponed until February 2024. Njilo gained public attention 2 years ago when it was revealed that he had been showering with including a brand new Range Rover. The couple tied the knot in a traditional ceremony in 2022, but it is currently going through a separation. If you like my videos, kindly share them, comment, subscribe on YouTube, and also follow my pages on Facebook and Instagram, and also on Twitter.